Welcome back to NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. Now here is your first question. Which of the following is not a greenhouse gas? The correct answer is C, nitrogen. Greenhouse gases are those gases that can absorb and re-emit infrared radiation, thereby trapping heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Next question. The blue baby syndrome is caused by the presence of excess. The correct answer is B, nitrate. Excess nitrate in drinking water is converted to nitrite, which binds with hemoglobin to form methemoglobin. Next question. The gas responsible for the Bhopal gas tragedy was. The correct answer is A, methyl isocyanate. Methyl isocyanate, CH3NCO, leaked from the Union Carbide plant in 1984. Next question. Which layer of the atmosphere contains the protective ozone layer? The correct answer is B, stratosphere. The stratosphere contains the ozone layer which filters UV rays. Next question. Acid rain is mainly caused by the oxides of. The correct answer is D, sulfur and nitrogen. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen react with atmospheric water to form sulfuric and nitric acids, which fall as acid rain. Next question. The secondary precursor of photochemical smog is. The correct answer is C, TAN, peroxyacetyl nitrate. TAN is a secondary pollutant formed by the reaction of hydrocarbons and nitrogen oxides in sunlight. Next question. Eutrophication causes a decrease in. The correct answer is A, dissolved oxygen. Excessive nutrients lead to algal blooms. Their decomposition consumes dissolved oxygen. Next question. The maximum prescribed concentration of cadmium in drinking water is. The correct answer is B, 0.005 ppm. Cadmium is highly toxic and regulated at very low levels, 0.005 ppm. Next question. The main sink for CO in the atmosphere is. The correct answer is C, microorganisms in soil. Certain soil bacteria oxidize CO into CO2. Next question. Which of the following is a herbicide? The correct answer is D, sodium chlorate. See, sodium chlorate, NaClO3, and sodium arsenic are common herbicides. Next question. Which of the following is a primary pollutant? The correct answer is C, SO2. SO2 is emitted directly from sources like coal combustion. Next question. The permissible limit of fluoride in drinking water is. The correct answer is B, 1 ppm. Concentration up to 1 ppm prevents tooth decay, above 2 ppm causes mottling of teeth. Next question. Minamata disease is caused by. The correct answer is B, mercury. It is a neurological syndrome caused by severe mercury poisoning. Next question. The ozone hole was first detected over. The correct answer is D, Antarctica. The unique weather conditions over Antarctica in spring led to massive ozone loss. Next question. Which of the following acts as a particulate pollutant? The correct answer is D, all of the above. All these are solid or liquid particles suspended in air. Next question. What is the common name for CHCl3 used in the environment? The correct answer is B. Chloroform. Chloroform is often found in chlorinated water as a byproduct. Next question. Photochemical smog is also known as. The correct answer is D. Both B and C. It was first observed in LA and contains high concentrations of oxidizing agents like O3. Next question. Which of the following is used to measure the thickness of the ozone layer? The correct answer is A. Dobson units. Dobson unit, DU, is the standard measurement for atmospheric ozone. Next question. Greenhouse effect is mostly caused by. The correct answer is C. Infrared radiation. CO2 and other gases trap the long-wave infrared radiation reflected by the Earth. Next question. Fly ash is a byproduct of. The correct answer is A. Thermal power plants. It is the fine ash produced by burning pulverized coal. Next question. The major contributor to the greenhouse effect is. The correct answer is C. CO2. While others are potent, CO2 is present in much higher concentrations. Next question. The bleaching agent used in green chemistry for paper is. The correct answer is B. H2O2. Hydrogen peroxide with a suitable catalyst is a greener alternative to chlorine gas. Next question. Pesticides like DDT reach the food chain and increase in concentration. This is called. The correct answer is B. Biomagnification. Toxins accumulate in higher concentrations at each trophic level. Next question. The Taj Mahal is being affected by. The correct answer is A. SO2. Sulfur dioxide from refineries creates acid rain that corrodes the marble, CaCO3. Next question. Which metal is most responsible for lead poisoning? The correct answer is D. PB. Lead, PB, from paints and pipes causes brain and kidney damage. Next question. Water is considered polluted if its dissolved oxygen, DO, is below. The correct answer is C. 4 ppm. If dissolved oxygen falls below 4 ppm, fish and aquatic life start to die. Next question. Black lung disease is common in. The correct answer is A. Coal miners. It is caused by long-term inhalation of coal dust, pneumoconiosis. Next question. Viable particulates are. The correct answer is B. Bacteria and fungi. Viable particulates are living organisms like bacteria, fungi, and molds. Next question. Which of the following is a non-point source of pollution? The correct answer is C. Agricultural runoff. Non-point sources are diffuse and don't come from a single specific location. Last question. Which is a natural source of air pollution? A. Volcanic eruptions. B. Forest fires. C. Pollen grains. D. All of the above. Share your correct answer in the comment before checking. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to the NEET MCQ Factory YouTube channel. See you in the next videos.